Hi, I'm Christine, and I will show you a tour around Ocean Breeze Stables. This is the sign. Here is Shannon riding Angel. Angel is an Appaloosa. And here is Chloe riding Charlie. Charlie is a quarter horse. And here is our horse jump. Here is Bobette with our horses in our barn. This is Princess Bubblegum. This is her baby named Rainicorn. Here is Star. And here is Fuzzy. Let's move on. This is our horse pasture. So this is Peanut taking a drink. Ta-da! This is Abracadabra. This is one of my favorite horses, Holly. Twister! This is Astrid. 4 asteroids. That's her show name. This is Arrow, and his show name is Arrow Through My Heart. This is Autumn. Her show name is Autumn Breeze. This is my saddle locker. We ride Western here, and there's a little saddle and a big saddle. Here is more stuff. This is where I am eventually going to put my food. This is our bridles. And here is a blanket and a saddle pad. Thank you for watching this tour, Ocean Breeze Stables. Now let's watch our riders jump. Great job. Next. Now to continue with our... No, you did not just do that. So, I had so much fun pushing her. Wow! You didn't pay for that!
Please excuse us for a moment.